Myntri Ryngbah ke sorkar Jylla Conrad ke Sangma haka Plie terik ko lalengkot arajar arpusau Plie Peit ke Wahiajer Multi Sports Complex kebedan haka Shillong Wahiajer West Giant Hills District rengkat ke jingedon langki arngut kisembut Myntri Ryngbah ubak presdun tensong bar ubak senyau bahalang dhar. Nalor Myntri ke Tenat Sports and Youth Affairs ubak Syakliar Wajri ki pat ki Myntri sorkar ki MLA MDC ki ofisar bat ki wei. Habakren hakani kesngi Myntri Ryngbah Conrad ke Sangma uai Khubor baro ki baydon benta ban pelong yang ni kesngi ke bejob bat ke pensa jingkan mau. Bat ongru bagani ke sorkar tang hapok kisan senem kelala penwan bun ki kampen roy ha ke bayadei bekijing tei kijing shnana ke benta ban kentiu ya ke kam sports ban penbaha penmian ya ki office tray kam jong ki blog ban shnai ki surok ki linti ki singkien nalor ki wei pat ki kampen roy bah ki sau pusan senem syadin ki klem la ban le AA. Ha kejuk Khubor ukermen bekinang la ban tray bah syuk syakmat palat ha ki senem bandang wan.
We are all joined by everybody here. I also would like to thank our former sports minister, Bapaidang, who was responsible for actually sanctioning this project. Let's give a big hand to Bapaidang also. And with that, I declare this stadium as inaugurated. I'm also happy to inform you that the Honourable Sports Minister is very keen to take sports to new heights for our state, and he has a target to ensure that Meghalaya becomes #1 in sports in the northeast at least. I can assure him and assure the people of the state that we will be 100% behind this target. We will support the infrastructure creation. We will support the associations. We will support the athletes. We will provide infrastructure. We will provide games like these so that our youth are able to excel in the sports. We were just discussing that we are very keen and we are making the necessary plans to have a football tournament very soon, which will be an inter-constituency tournament. All 60 constituencies will compete and contest. And we would want the constituencies to have players only from their constituency and no hiring will be allowed. This will allow different regions to compete, different constituency players to go to different parts of the state and see the other parts and other constituencies, compete against each other, learn from each other, and more importantly, bring harmony, peace, and unity among the people of our state. So friends, with these few words, I once again congratulate our Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, Samla, and the entire department for the kind of work that has been done today. This infrastructure is world class. World class, and today the people of Nathian constituency and of Jylla Hills should feel proud that such an infrastructure has come up in Jylla Hills. Maybe this is one of the best infrastructures that we have in the state. I congratulate our Honourable Minister, I congratulate our Deputy Chief Minister, and I congratulate each and every one of you on this particular day. I wish both the teams that are playing today the very best. I'm sure after 70 teams have been playing, this is the finals now. I wish all the players and the teams the very best. May the best team win. With these few words, I once again wish you all the very best. May God bless each and every one of us, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya.
Ti kumba ke Meghalaya Games haus nem arajar arpusan kan long hari lom jantia ungit skemru bagi pai ba ke than kin ai ke jingkershan bapura kenang bakani ke games kan long ke bejob. Kumbah ni kesngi hakni kamadan na donru ke jingile kai final match belatip kum ke third senyau bahalang football tournament hapdeng ke sopho SC persya ke nongkro SC. Myntri Ryngbah ulapan menapai baru baladon ke jingekren na kebentaban penong ya ke lempung ya kai football inter constituency ke banyashimenta da baro enriu pautli ki constituency hapok ke Jylla. Uya thu ru kumba nagliang ka sorkar ka thrang ban kenti ka kamile kai sport sa ka Jylla kumta kandang wa chu kilat kilinti na ka benta ban kenti wi ka kamile kai sports ha ki ru kam ba pher.